Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Valkynos store, a diamond tester kit. You can see the brand right there. It is the Birkin brand. I have it powered on right now. When you put it in power position, red light comes on, you wait for the green to heat up. There's a digital display right there, and that display will show you how to test your diamond. And there is a pad right there that you have to touch. We're going to demonstrate that. Comes with this really nice loop. Very impressed with a mechanical focus. You can pull this in and out for your vision, and it has batteries here you can replace. Has ultraviolet light for detecting fake currency, and a real bright light on there also. Very, very nice quality and really handy to have when you're looking at diamonds or jewelry in general. This little piece right here is so that you can lay the diamonds on if you have them just separate and not mounted. Now this thing gives alerts and to let you know when it's a real diamond. It uses thermal conductivity technology to actually identify the real diamond, distinguish them from common synthetic ones such as cubic zirconium, glass, crystal, and things like that. Thermal conductivity is the rate that heat or cold goes through something, and diamond is very unique. It distinguishes that unique pattern. Now there is something called moissanite. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, or moissanite, which has very similar thermal properties. So this could fool you with that. So they've included a infrared or blue light on here so that you could actually test that with a 365 nanometer UV light. So if you go to this position right here to the right, take the cap off, you see that it has an ultraviolet light on there. Now I'm just giving you an example. I have a diamond ring right here, engagement ring, and if you take that light and put it on the ring itself, the camera's not going to pick it up, but it is glowing a certain way. See that nice beautiful glow right there? If this was glass or if this was that other material, it wouldn't glow like that. And that's nice that they added that feature on there so that you could actually test the validity of it. Now let's go back to this position right here. You can see the display. Now it's warming up, and we're going to let it warm up. And while that's warming up, let's go to the loop again and allow you to maybe look inside here. So the lens right here allows an extreme close-up. So you see right there the diamond right there, and that's with the ultraviolet light on. If I click it into the other position, then it's going to very brightly enhance the diamond. Look at that. Look how clear that is. Of course, I'm going through the lens here, but your eye will see the diamond perfectly in there. And again, you could change that focus to see really clearly what's going on in there. So now the tester has showing green right there. There is a metal plate right there that you have to have your finger on when you're doing the testing. That's to do with the conductivity. Now we're going to take this and I'm going to put it 90 degrees while my finger's on that metal plate, and I'm going to touch the diamond just like that. And look what happens. You get an audible beep and it goes all the way to the right, telling you that it is a real diamond, not glass or synthetic. So that's it. So what it did is it used thermal conductivity to conduct through that diamond to verify that it is a real diamond. And it's just that simple. So this is an excellent way to test if you have a real diamond so you're not fooled. And again, it has an ultraviolet also to let you be alerted visually, and then with that loop in there, you're going to be able to test and look at everything and verify. So what do I think after testing with the Valkynos Diamond Tester Kit with the 60X Loupe and UV light? I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. This is a kit, as you see, combines the two, all the batteries included, and the holders and the diamond holder right there. Really, really nice kit. You're going to want to get one of these. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.